Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
It is a very, very happy robot. Not only that, it also feels. You can touch his head. Sweet. Pretty cute, huh? I love the personalities. I know this tune. I know this tune from Guardians of Galaxy. You know, I'm very lonely. I need a friend to play something. So I'm gonna play hide and seek with this one again. So Vic is just busy talking to my tripod. Check this out. Hey Vic, there's a cat in front of you. Oh, it dismantled itself. Assalamualaikum, greetings, alishanmao here, and meet Beck. Beck is one of the 1,000 robots that you can build using very easy to build modular ClicBot kits. As they said on their websites right there, 1,000 robots in one, build your robot your way. Yes, there's a lot to talk about. The ClickBot, that's the full kit I've got, and you can see lots of other pieces are here. And this is my very first robot that I built very, very quickly using the ClickBot. This is cute, adorable. Beck can hear, Beck can see using its camera. It can recognize faces because it has a facial recognition. It can recognize gestures. It can communicate with you using sounds and something that you can make words out of it. It is a very, very happy robot. Not only that, it also feels. You can touch his head. Sweet. My touch is very sweet. It likes my touch. It has multiple sensors around the brain, so it feels your touch. So you can play with Beck. You can program it the way you want using the motion programming or an easy-to-use graphical display. Now, as I said, this is not just the only robot you can build. There are 1,000 robots that you can build using the ClickBot kit. Only the imagination and creativity is the limit. Okay, stop looking around my house, okay? There's nothing interesting in this room except lots of airplanes, right? You like them, huh? I love this eye, man. He's just very curious. He just looks around a lot. He can dance as well. Yeah. I know this tune. I know this tune from Guardians of Galaxy. Alright, let's build our very first robot with the ClickBot, and that is Back. Back is adorable and cute, sneaky, right here as you can see on the screen. So let's see how it goes. Right, there's the eye. The eye, all-seeing eye on the ClickBot brain. And this kind of reminds me of Minions, yeah? Very cute and adorable minions with one eye. So I'm just gonna swipe up and click on Back. And it says start connecting modules. So I'm gonna pick up the modules and start connecting them as per the instructions. One moment, it says that has the mount already stick on desk? Keyirobotics, ClickBot's team, please correct the English here. It should be stuck on the desk. Please make sure that's stuck on the desk. Yes, it is stuck on the desk, so I'll say yes. And watch my back comes to life. Looks like a happy robot, isn't it? Looks like it's curious and it's looking around my room, trying to probably recognize the objects or something. Kind of scary, man. Hello. Do you respond to sounds? Actually, it's looking at me when I'm speaking. I don't know if it actually looks at the sound source or not, but this is this. Let's test the feel feature, that is the sensor. So I'm just gonna touch his head. Oh, it's so cute. It's sweet. It's so cute. Okay, touch here. It actually feels. What happens if you keep touching him? Maybe it will become affectionate and fall in love with you. So this is Back, and let's see. Don't get too close. I get scared because of the previous robot that punched me. Sucker punch. All right, come here, baby. Let's see if it can dance. Hold on. So I can swipe it up. Back's play box. And quiz I will not do now. I'm not very good with quizzes. Dance. Yeah. I know this tune. I know this tune from Guardians of Galaxy. Kind of hide and seek game, I believe. So click on it. It says, please stand about 5 meters away from Back, approach and touch Back's head undetectedly to win. Sounds like a nice game. Let's play it. I'm gonna go 5 meters, or I don't know, somewhere. Oh, do you know I'm behind the chair? I touched your head. I touched your head. I lose? Wait. I can't hide even. I'm too big. then I'm right in front of him. What am I doing? It is not hide and seek. Hey, there you go. Yes, this is what you need to do. You win. You just have to wait for him to close his eye for a while, and you can go touch his head. Nice. Awesome. I believe it doesn't have the sensors to avoid the edges. So, but look at that. It can balance itself. How nice. Watch for the edge. Pretty cute, huh? I love the personalities on. They're pretty happy. Okay, hold on. Okay. Now, it doesn't have the proximity sensor. Of course, you can build a robot that has a proximity sensor. For now, it will just keep hitting around. Hey, Big. Hello. So, Big is just busy talking to my tripod. Check this out. Hey, Big, come over here, baby. Turn around. That's just a tripod, and it's dead. It's not gonna talk to you. Okay, let's see if he will find my 3D printer. He's looking at my RC cars and radio collections. Let's see if it can talk to cats. Uh-oh, what the cats will do. I believe I have to rebuild this thing with a sensor which detects the obstacle on the back and one down there. We'll find a way to do that. Ooh, there he goes again. He finds it. Oh, it's its own box. Do you love your own pictures? Let me bring it out and see what cats will feel like. Now Big is talking to my apples right there, and one kitty just came out. Stop singing and go communicate with the cat. I hope my cat will not hunt it. There's a cat in front of you. Oh, it dismantled itself. It just dismantled itself in 3 pieces. Okay, what is it saying? Connection bug. Help Big fix it. They should give it something like follow your hands or respond to the calls, go to the sound. That would have been really nice. It does things on random. Nonetheless, this is still pretty cute to see something going around making sounds in your house. Now we have the controls here. So let's see how it goes. Switch to walking. Awesome. That's nice. Alright. Hey, that's my mouse. Go back, go back. Okay, kind of struggling to go there. How do you turn? Oh, that will take forever to turn. Okay, anyway, this is this. And it also has some of the gestures here, so I can simply, like, click on this. It's like a doggy. It will do something to make you happy. Okay? No sounds. I like the cute sounds coming from the big, back. Okay. This one, what does it do? Oh, hold on. It's doing something. It's checking its legs. Okay. You can see it right here. All right. Check another legs, front legs. Okay. Thank you. It's just like a little cute doggy, like little puppy right here. Alright, now I will drive it in my cramped little room and you can see how it's doing. Give it more space, move my chair away. You can control the speed as well, how fast you want to go. That's nice. Okay, now how do I come back? Yes, just like this. Oh, don't drop my light. It's like you gotta get used to controlling it because the turns are right there on your fingers. Pretty nice. Okay, now let's switch it to the walking because now we are on the floor and we can see how it walks. So walk backward. Kind of struggling to walking backward, but at least it is walking. Okay, so turn around. How do you turn around? Okay, turn is fine. Not very kind of satisfactory radius, but it is actually turning, and now it's walking. Alright, let me give you a quick overview of the ClicBot app. Once the brain is turned on, you can connect it to the brain from the main screen top right here. Now at the top left you have your profile, then you have videos. So if you could go to videos, you can watch a lot of quick guides here, which is very helpful in the beginning. I would suggest you watch these videos. Then you have Playground, where you can have latest, hottest, or recently built robots. So you can basically select from here which robot you want to build. Once you select it, it will ask you to connect to the brain, and if you have set up your brain with the Wi-Fi, you can find it right here in the brain connection. Click on it and you should be connected. After that, comes back to it and you can select your model, for instance a spider, and it can start giving you instructions on how to connect different modules and build it. And at the same time, the brain screen will show you the instructions as well. Once you finish building the model, you can go ahead and program it according to your needs and start driving and playing with it. Playground, you have lots of models to experiment with and play with. You can build them, program them, and play with them. Then it comes to laboratory, where you can build custom robots. So basically you can build any robot you want starting from the scratch, and as you connect modules to it, it will keep showing right here the modules in this area. And once you finish it, you can save your robot and then move on to programming. Now if you want to program, you have motion programming and graphics programming. In motion programming, you basically move the limbs of the robots the way you want the robot to have kind of gesture, and you add it as a point, and you can add some pauses in between and some other commands. So basically you move the robot and make gestures and record those gestures, and you can play those gestures back. And if you go to the graphical programming, then you come to this kind of screen where you have actuators, sensors, controls, operators, variables, and motions. Basically you can simply drag and drop these on the screen and connect them accordingly and keep programming it. It's very easy to drag and drop, but in my opinion it is slightly more complicated and much more advanced for some kids. Especially younger kids will find it very overwhelming and kind of difficult to program, but once they get the hang of it, it should be easier to program using the graphical programming. With the graphical program, you can basically do something much more with your robot. And then on top right corner, you have your joystick controls. So once you have created your motions, you can go back to, you can access the joystick control and assign those controls to joysticks, and start playing with your robot and test your motions. Basically, if you want, you can clearly see it in quick guide how to do demo motion, steering configuration, rotation, blocky programming, how to assign those things to your joystick very easily. You have everything in the quick guide. Then comes the community. In the community, you can see what other people are building, okay, and how they are building, what are their robots, what they are doing with that, and you can basically like it. You can comment on their robots, and you can also download their robots program from the cloud. And once you do that, you can basically play that in your own robot as well. And you can also upload your robot and your configurations so other people in the community can download your configurations and play with your build. Now when we come to the brain, you can see set up the brain's Wi-Fi, clear brain cache, check the module version. So basically you can attach each module to the robot brain and keep checking its version. And if needs update, obviously it will automatically update. Then comes the settings, where you have launch video that you can watch, clear cache, version information, about us, and help. So it's basically very easy to use app right here, and very fun to use app as well. You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.